Hi everyone, welcome back to Reptiles and Resin. Guess what we're doing today? Plain old clear and crushed crystal for a order. Yo! So yep, I've already got this mixed up. This is the Food Safe Bond Crafter resin. Have 8 ounces mixed up. I'm trying to make sure I scrape these sides. I don't want anything in here. I'll clean out my mold the best I can, even though it's stained from those chrome powders, but they shouldn't transfer. But yeah, crushed crystal and resin. Hopefully this is enough. I actually might put a little bit more in there, as she loves her crushed crystal. Where'd my stick go? I actually think I am going to put a little bit more in here. The Unicorn Art crushed crystal. I put a little bit more in here. Break it down and stir it up. I don't want to put so much to where it's sinking though. Hopefully it doesn't all float to the bottom. Hopefully. We are going to get this nice and debubbled in our vacuum chamber. And get these little clear pores and the bubbles in here poured. I really hope that crushed crystal is broken up enough. Alright, I'm going to get him in the vacuum chamber. And we're going to get started. See you back soon. It's going to be a short one, you guys. Alrighty, everyone. Perfectly crystal clear resin. And we're going to just spray each one and go with the flow here. Can't remember how much these took. I'm going to let them just get in here. And then I'm going to check for bubbles because I do not want any bubbles on these edges at all. At all. Or even in the bubbles. I don't want no bubbles in the bubbles. Oh, I don't have enough for 4. Uh-oh. Okay, well, oops. What is that? Little brown spot in there, probably a piece of gooder. And hopefully we don't have any bubbles in these sides here. I'm going to be very upset. I think I overfilled him a little bit here. Yep. Overfilled that one a little bit. And that one's too thing. Gracious me. Leave it to me. And they're a little bit uneven. Uh-oh. Get on up under there, buddy. Make sure I even these out. Where's my little tool at here? Yeah, I think I got way too much in this one. Okay, and not enough in the other ones. And that, is that something in there, or is that, oh, that's that dye. Hopefully it doesn't transfer. It usually doesn't, so hoping for the same effect today. Yeah, this one is overfilled. Overfilled. How's this one looking? This one actually, it could take a little bit more. Try to get some of these bubbles up from these sides. See a few right here that doesn't want to come up and pop. Maybe this heat gun will help it a little bit there. Or at least I'm hoping it will. Oh, there's another piece of glitter that is not crushed crystal. Trying to get these sides. More than anything. Oh, there's another. I tell you, once you open glitter, it's over. There's another piece. I'm going to just make sure I pick out any glitter that may be in here before I let it sit here to cure. Make sure I do that. This one could actually use some more in here. And this was 8 ounces, so that was enough for 3. And the little key fob or whatever that is in there. All right. Excuse me. That might be a piece of crushed crystal, because sometimes them crushed crystal pieces look like bubbles, but they're not. They will sink. See? It's one right there, and they kind of sink on you. Okay. Actually, that one can take a little bit more again. Oh, I just don't want to overfill it. This one could take a little bit more. I guess I might have enough for that inside. Going to get my edges cleaned off. Okay, now it looks nice and full now. This one can still take some. Might be able to get away with a little bit more in this one as well. I do want them domed. And then I'm going to just have to make up some more for the other one. So I'll make up probably about 4 ounces for the other one. And then I will meet y'all back here. Yeah, because all this is going in here. Yep. Every bit of it. So yeah, I'm gonna just make up 4 more ounces and get these 2 filled, and then we'll unmold them, and hopefully we have a pretty nice clear pair. I hate scraping the cup on these because it's, even though I thinged it, it's just, you get bubbles in it. I was hoping I'd had a little left over, but apparently no, I'm not going to. Oh, is that a bubble? I think it might be. Oh, maybe not. Okay. Oh, that was a piece of resin. Get that little thing off of there. Yep. Alright, you guys. So, oh, there's some bubbles right in here where I put that in there, too. I figured that. That's why I don't like scraping, especially if it's going to be clear. You will see those bubbles, but at least you can see them to pop them. I did get a little bit in there. Just not that much. Alrighty. Alright, so I'm going to just make up some more for these 2, and we'll be back to unmold, basically. Told you. Quick, simple, easy video. Something quick, simple, and easy, but hey, hopefully I make up enough. I've got some clear resin in these turtles here, in some of the shells. If I have enough left over, I might just make an ounce more. We can make some more turtles. See you back in a minute. Alrighty, everyone, everything is dry. Let's start with the ones that's tinted, because I want to. Oh, well, no, they're fine. Do have some overage to clean up there. But yep, the tint stays. I know it's kind of shaded purple there, but nope, no tint. Yay. Perfect. Let's get this one out. Absolutely perfect. Beautiful. I love these little bubbles. Aren't they so pretty? Get this one out. No bubbles around the edges. Thank goodness. Yay. No bubbles. They are so pretty. Just clear, and crushed crystal is so pretty. I know it's simple, but so simple and pretty. So simple and pretty. And a lot of crushed crystal. So pretty. And then when I made up enough for these 2, we have a ton of oh, I don't want to break that one's shell. So this one had the clear and then kind of see through it there. This one is just the shell, so I'm trying not to pop him out. It's like he's got a little dome of clear, and then you can see through him. So we got the cute little turtles. This one has to be finished. These, put a little scrappy in them. That one's just the bubble turtle. They gotta be cleaned up, but yeah. He's still cute. Another scrappy in him. And a scrappy in this one. Yep. So cute. Yeah, I think this might be the fastest video I have ever done. What do y'all think? Oh, goodness. But yeah, they turned out beautiful. I think she will love them. I love the bubble thing. It's almost like you're looking through the eyes of like one of the flies. You know how they have all the things. And they just get magnified. The crushed crystal is like magnified in here. That is so cool. I love these coasters. These are so pretty. I love them. I love how Julie makes her molds, her uniqueness. I do have to trim this little thing here. That would be like a little keychain or something like that, or even a magnet. But yep, very short video today, huh, you guys? I'm sorry, but want to get this one done as well and take my time with it. We got our 4 beautiful coasters. So yeah, I will see you guys tomorrow for another video that will be longer than this one, I promise. But yes, so beautiful. And they're nice and big too. But yeah, see you tomorrow. Bye for now. Thanks for watching.